It's called Breakfast, a little piece of breakfast. I know you love them. And then, after that, we have a song called Jesus Freak. But you got to be patient because we're working on this thing here. So what this happens over here, guys, what happens over here is we don't have a bass player, as you can tell. We think bass players sometimes are unreliable. So what we have here is a computer that plays the bass parts for us while Jeffrey works his little white butt off over here. Yeah, it's hard work over there. Anybody got any questions out here? About my life, Newsboys, DC Talk, ask them. Let's have Q&A time. Who's got a question? Yeah. Well, let's just. Oh, I could, but it just seems like some bad guy. The new record? Guys, buy the new record July 13th, okay? Please, thank you. And also, too, our Facebook page is growing quickly. Join us on Facebook. Keep it up all the time. We answer questions. Our Facebook is The Bomb Facebook. Today, Newsboys Facebook. Go to it. All right, you got a question, sir? Come up here. I can't hear you, sir. The Floods in Nashville? The Floods. Nice shirt, by the way. I like that shirt you got. The Floods is, I'm sorry, Duncan?
All about that.
Yes, you jump on.
I had personal experience on the Floods. They started last Friday night,
Yep.
really. And then by Saturday, most of Franklin, which is a little town just south of Nashville, was pretty much underwater. I have a house, I had 2 feet of water in my house, so yeah, so it wasn't good.
And it was like, what's weird about it is that, I don't know why, we were looking for like a handout because thank God people blessed us anyway, giving us things, and my house was fine, a lot of our houses were fine. Duncan had a flood, 2 or 3 feet of water.
Yeah, 2 foot.
In the basement, yeah, and it messed up all the toilet systems in the house. There was a little bit of smelly in the house for a while, Duncan's house. But a little personal information there for you. But it was, they estimated like $1.1 billion in damage so far, but you know, we're praying for the FEMA will help us out, other people. So it's all.
I think we got about 14, 15 inches of rain in 48 hours.
Yeah, we got our half a year of rain in 2 days.
It was pretty brutal. I think a lot of people still haven't got power, so you can be praying for them.
They want the photo.
Any more questions, anybody? Whoa.
I love you, darling. Close and personal like this. This never happens. This is awesome. And I'm gonna show off anyway, so I don't care. You know my sister Linda? Linda Ram, okay? Yeah.